In today's video, I'll be showing you how to activate a Visa gift card. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now, in order to actually activate your Visa gift card, there are two ways in which we can go about activating our card. As you can see here, it does say many Visa gift cards are activated upon purchase and are ready to use. So you want to first make sure that your card does actually need to be activated before you go ahead and try to activate it. Now, if your card does actually need to be activated, what you will need to do is call the toll-free number on the back. However, some of these card providers do actually allow you to activate it via their website as well. However, you will have to check with whichever provider you have because it will differ for each Visa gift card. For example, Vanilla Gift Card does actually allow you to activate it online. And if you head over to their website, you'll be able to see this section where you can manage your Visa Vanilla gift card. And here you can check your balance, review transactions, or activate your gift card. So what you'll need to do is get your physical vanilla Visa gift card, and you just want to enter in the card information. So you can enter in the card number, the expiration date, as well as the CVV, and from there you can click continue. And from there you'll then have the option to actually activate your card, and you can then use it exactly how you wish. So if you can't actually find the activation page on their website, you will have to do what I said earlier, where you will have to call the toll-free number on the back of the card. And from there, you can speak to the customer service representative and they will actually assist you in activating your card so that it's ready for use. So that's exactly how you can activate your Visa gift card. I hope you found this video helpful and thanks for watching.